Hi there, guys. Dr. Marvin here. Just wanted to give you a quick tutorial about a new feature that I added just this morning at the request of some students on the Zoom call last evening. So when you log into the course, what the feature that I've been able to add is the easiest way to locate it is to go here in the communication center. So you have the different weeks over here on the left. Come down here to the communication center. What you'll notice in here, while we're here, you can use this question and answers forum. You can also go into the announcements. So here's all the announcements that I've made throughout the course of the course so far. So well, here's a couple that I made about the Zoom call. If you lost the email or something, you didn't get it or whatever, you can come back in here and still grab that announcement that I made last evening, right as the Zoom call concluded. But what I wanted to show you more specifically this morning is this new item here that you will see in the communication center. It's called Turnitin Draft Submission. So what you're able to do with this this link is open this up, and you can submit a paper, a draft, to turn it in to look at the match report that gets generated. So you can just like you would with a real or a final submission, you can click this here to attach that, go into your Windows Explorer, and oh, I didn't want to do that. Instead, I wanted to just take, where did that go now? This, and drop it in and add submission. Week 3 draft, add submission, and let's try that again. So it's been submitted. Now it's here pending. I'll ultimately get that final report once it's generated it through Turnitin. The only potential hang up to this is that it's my understanding you can only submit one paper through this way. So if you submitted a draft and you've looked at it and you need to submit another one for another week, or a second draft for the week that we're in, just let me know that you need your draft removed, and I will go in there and remove it for you. It's just functionally how the system works. So if you have any questions about this or anything else, text, email, phone call. Smoke signal's not so good, but otherwise look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care, be well, and have a great day.